Hi foodies, and welcome back to my channel. Now this is the last chicken one I'm doing because I have one chicken leg left besides what I'm going to do now, and I'm giving that to my husband for a chicken dinner. So this is the fourth chicken leg, and if you watched one of my recent videos, I did a taste test on chicken curry jambons, and it gave me an idea to make them because my UK subscribers have said they can't get them. Quick and easy recipe. I've already made my puff pastry. Hopefully it works. I haven't done puff pastry for years. So we're going to do the filling while that is cooling down in the fridge. So this is quite a simple recipe. As you can see in my frying pan, I have one onion that I've roughly chopped. As most people know, I use a small red knife to do my cutting, peeling, because I don't have a proper sharp knife. It's one thing I have to get as well as a few other things. But this recipe is from the jambon I was tasting. I had onions, chicken, and the McDonald's curry sauce. Now when I was eating the jambons, there was very little amount of chicken in it, which I was disappointed. So maybe I can improve on that. Now as for my puff pastry, I used plain cream flour. You can use normal plain flour. Butter, cut into chunks and just lightly worked in. You don't want it into a bread form, breadcrumb form. You just want to work that in lightly. Then you water, and then mix it until you have a dough. Lightly surface your top and a rolling pin. Take your dough out of your bowl and then put it into like a rectangle. So you don't need to really knead it, you just want to put it into a rectangle. Then roll it out away from you, only in one direction. And then you fold the top of the dough to about 2/3 of the way down, and then you do the same with the bottom, so they kind of just overlap in the middle, and then you turn it once, either left or right, and then repeat the instructions I've already said. And you do that a couple of times, and then you put it back into your bowl, and then obviously clean film over it and put it in the fridge to chill for about 15-20 minutes. So I've already done all that. I didn't think you'd want to see me doing that, so now you can see these onions are getting soft. So the next thing I'm going to do is add the rest of the chicken leg I had. And just warm that through. So while I'm warming this through, I will also put my kettle on and make the curry sauce and then push it through this. So I'll bring it back then. So as you can see, I've put my curry sauce in, so I'm going to just let that thicken up a little bit because we don't want it too watery. Just turn this heat down a little bit. And once it's thickened up nicely, then you let everything cool down. You don't want to be putting this boiling hot. So when I'm ready for the next stage, I will bring you back. Now as you can see, my dough is ready, so I'm going to roll this out. And I'm going to cut into like squares. So for the first one, I'm just going to cut this into two. Now I'm making mini ones, so actually we can just roll that out a little bit more. Now all you're going to do then is you're going to take some of the mixture you've made and just put it in to the centre. The next thing we're going to do then is just fold over the corners like so. Now that's not a great one, but you get what I mean. So I'm going to carry on with these and then I'm going to air fry them. Well, so far these are the ones that are ready. I have two more that's in the air fryer. I mean, they're not perfect by any means, but you get the idea. Maybe in hindsight, maybe I've should have done them bigger. Yeah, so there's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10. I made 10 out of that small bit, and I still have some of the chicken curry left, which I'm going to freeze and use them again. So I'll bring it back when the last two are done, and then we'll give them a taste test. So the last two are finished. So we'll give one of these a taste test. Pastry's light. The filling is really nice. You know what? For my first time trying them, they taste grand. Taste alright, just needs the shaping technique a little bit more. So I'm going to let these cool down more, and then I'm going to freeze the rest. So if you like the content, please give it a like. Click the notification bell for new uploads. Consider subscribing to my channel, obviously if you like the content. And leave a comment in the comment box. And just so you know, there will be subscribers recipe week coming very, very soon. I haven't forgotten. I'm just getting all the ingredients because I want to do it in one full week. I don't want to be going shops for this, that and the other. So yeah, watch out for that. That's coming very, very soon. Until the next one, bye foodies.